Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a team. This is for new player that want to or still confused how to make a good team. Let's start. Just tap a team. Go to team option here. As you can see, there are 5 slots or 5 team group, 5 group, and per group there are 10 slots for each. And if you are asking what is the best team in the game, so I tell you, the best team is not according to what unit is the best, but the best team is per event, so not per unit. So you have to know the detail of the event first, what event that you need to defeat or complete the event. For example, I give you this. Let's start. Go to event. And let's go to Z battles, extreme Z battle. For example, future saga. Let's tap the future saga. So you can defeat this future saga with a random team, but it's so difficult. If you want to some challenge, just go on, it's up to you. But you can make this easier with this. Tap the battle info and this one, effective and when attacking and when defending with future saga category. So it means you have to assemble team with future saga like this 6 unit is future saga. Tap the unit, tap the details. This one, category future saga. So you have to assemble team or make a team according or based on the event, not based on a unit. So no matter this unit strong, but the event decide to disable a dodge, for example, your team is not good. So make sure the team leader also support all the unit. Like this is a leader of future saga, you have to read the leader skill. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.